what's up guys? It's Nikki here, back to you with another Makeup Mondays with Nikki makeup tutorial. And today, as you can see in the title, I will be doing September's Birthstone, which is Sassfire. That's why I'm wearing a blue shirt to go with the makeup. Since I've been on YouTube for roughly almost 2.5 months now, since July, I wanted to say to all my subscribers that I already have, thank you so much for your love and the comments as well and the likes. For the newer people that are just now starting to watch my videos, or who are watching this video exactly right now and you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, because I do makeup tutorials every single Monday, and I do extra random videos with me and my 2 kids so far. I do have an announcement for all of my people out there, all of my viewers, for you guys today. Today, I'm so sorry that I missed yesterday from Monday's upload. I was very busy this past weekend and I couldn't upload it or do it, so I did it this morning, which is Tuesday. Also, I will not be able to video exactly on next Monday as well, because I will be busy all weekend in the hospital with having my baby, because I am 38 weeks and 6 days today, and I will be 39 weeks tomorrow, and I will be scheduling an inducement at the hospital for this weekend. But I will have it uploaded next Monday, but I will be doing the recording tomorrow or Thursday. So still come and check it out on next Monday and stay tuned. But for right now, let's get right down to the video. Alright guys, as you can tell, I've already done my face and everything. I also did one eye for you already, and I'm about to demonstrate how I'm going to do the other eye. Also, if I don't look at the camera the whole video, it's because I'm looking at this mirror on my compact right here. And let's get right on down to the video and use this music, shall we?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. 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 Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Alright guys, let's use these three for the lip portion of the video, shall we?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today of September's Birthstone Sapphire. And if you did enjoy it, please hit that like button for me. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well. And also do not forget to ring my notification bell for all content. That way you will be notified, especially every Monday, for my makeup tutorials. Alright guys, I will see you soon, whenever that is. And you all have a nice week. Ciao.